Kurtong ke BJP na Ranikor constituency uba Danggu lapan pawi ke jing artatin baka parti kan yok bantau sarkar tang daladehi hadian kene ke election MLA arjar pulai watla uloong baka ne ke parti kelas dang ban khir rasong hapok ke jela megalaya bat kan job la kumnu khatsan ngot AA ki MLA uba Danggu le thuru baka daw ka ban penloi u ban e no ek NPP bat ban penyeso pat yang di syaka BJP ka dei namar ka jingkwa ki nong kersan bat ulapan paru e ka jingkerman baka BJP kan job dan buram menta ka kenti na po Ranikor constituency.
It is the wish of my leaders and people. So as per the decision, majority of my supporters and leaders, ultimately we have to switch to BJP. Definitely, this BJP is going to win this time in the first time in the Ranikor constituency. That may not be, but we are expecting at least 15 seats will win.
Okay,
All Meghalaya. Thank you.
Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pensawa lawan kapor ka jingkela Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pensawa lawan kapor ka jingkela